Hey, how's it going? Today I will show you how to set up Unlinked on your Fire Stick, as well as show you the best codes to use there. The whole process is pretty easy and will take you just a couple of minutes. Now the very first step is you gotta get that app called Downloader to your Fire Stick. You can get it totally for free, just go to search on your device. So let's open the search bar right here and then start typing Downloader in a search. And as you can see, it has already popped out for us at the bottom. We just click on it, and here is the app, which you need to get. But after you got that downloader application, it's not over, because we still need to set it up. To do so, we'll go to Settings right here, open them. Then the next step is go to My Fire TV, and from here you'll have to turn on the developer options. However, on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that is the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's really easy to make them appear. You just go into About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So when you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, go into installation of unknown apps, and then just locate Downloader and make sure to turn this option on. So it is going to allow you to use Downloader to install other applications from the internet. Now, when you return back to a list of apps on the device, you will be able to find the Downloader in here. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing, which I always recommend doing. It is, of course, connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device that you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say you will connect to Ireland right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that is really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video, or in a description of this video, you will get 3 months of Nord totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV, or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we go back into a list of apps on your device, we open Downloader, and get ready to start using it. So here at the top, there is a search bar. You need to open it, and now it's time to enter a link, which is gonna be unlinked.link. So let's enter that together. Once again, it's unlinked.link. Make sure to enter it as I do. If you find it that I enter the link too fast, then just click pause and make sure to enter it at your own speed. After that, you'll click next and wait a couple of moments until we see the website that loaded for us. Then when the website opens, you just scroll down until you find that Download APK Android button. Click this button right here, and the download will start, usually just a couple of seconds. That's how long it takes. Now I'll just move my camera a bit below, and you can see that installation button right here. We click install and just give it some time until the installation process is finished. After that, don't click open yet. Instead, it's better to press done, because that way you get an option to delete the installation files, which you don't really need anymore on a Fire Stick device. So you'll click on delete and then delete once again. Next step actually is going back into settings. So here we go. Open the settings right here. Go into My Fire TV. Again, open developer options, installation of unknown apps, but this time you'll have to locate Unlinked in here. There you go, we open it. Sorry, not open, but turn this option on for Unlinked so that it would be also able to get other apps for you from the web. Then we are returning to the list of applications on the Fire Stick. And here is Unlinked, which we just got. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to hold down the middle button on your remote. Let's hold it down, and this menu will appear on the right side. Click on Move to Front, and that way, the app will always be at the very beginning of your application list, and it will be way easier for you to access Unlinked every time you need it. Of course, don't forget the most important step, is it to always keep your VPN connected. Once again, it helps you to stay safe and out of trouble online. And if you don't have a VPN yet, then just use my link in a pinned comment or in the description of this video to get 3 months of Nord free of charge. Then we'll finally go and open up the Unlinked application on your device. So open it, click on the Add a New Library, then click on that search bar, and now it's time to enter a code. So the code is going to be Fire TV Guru. So once again, it's Fire TV Guru. So we are entering the code right here in a search. Again, if it is too fast for you, then just pause my video and make sure to enter the code correctly. Then you'll click on that next button right here, which we can see. Now, I had to blur out my screen because of the YouTube rules, but of course in your case it is not going to be blurred. And inside of this alternative app store, you will be able to find loads of amazing applications. And there are applications of all kinds, such as movie apps, TV shows, live TV, live sports, media players, IPTV players, as well as the content for grown-ups only, if you know what I mean. So, I hope that this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to hit the like button below the video. It actually truly helps me a lot. So, enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.